What is worse, my haircut or the Bitcoin chart? Yes, I know, guys. You took a look at the chart today morning and you still saw the same $82,000, and now you're devastated because most probably you bought above 90K, maybe above 100K. No, you also bought Ethereum above 2,500, correct? Exactly. And not only Ethereum, I know you bought all the altcoins and you're down about minus 50%. I totally understand. I'm with you, and let's solve this together. I want to be profitable this year, and I'll show you how you can be profitable together with me. However, you'll have to listen to me and take smart decisions. Now, I know what you're thinking. You already seen a couple of YouTubers before, and you know them talking about CPI numbers, talking about the bear market, telling maybe it was time to sell. Some of them, they already told you, hey, I told you so. Why you didn't sell above 100K? You know, what I noticed that many people, many YouTubers, not people, they actually say two possibilities, going up and going down in every single video. And whatever happens, they wind the video back and they say, hey, I told you so. I told you that this could happen, right? And then basically they're always right, whatever happens. It's like a weather forecast. They forecast rain and it doesn't rain. It's fine because it's sunny, nobody cares. And look, this is an ugly rain that's happening right now. I hate it. I actually hate it. Sorry, messages are popping up. People are looking for me. Now, what is important, guys? Forget all the CPI numbers, forget the bear market, people, forget the bears. We are in the bull market and we're about to go up. However, something has to happen in the market before this happens. And I want to go together with you to the charts so we basically can analyze cycles, guys. As you already know, cycles is everything. Everything depends on cycles, and all the narratives are not important. Cycles direct the movement of the crypto field. Now, I want you to take a look at the two things here. First thing we have at the bottom, and here we have the dark blue lines, okay? And the second thing we have on the left chart of this, of the left side of the chart, the number 60. You can see here the number 4. And here on the right side, again, you see number 60. And you're probably thinking, what is this? Honest, what are you showing to us? We've never seen this before. And that's good, guys, because I'm showing something new, something that any other YouTuber, so proclaimed trader, never did. Okay, so Bitcoin is moving into 60-day cycles. Every 60 days we have a drop. Let's check this together. 60-day drop. Now we go to the left, we see 57 days. Of course, not every single cycle is 60 days. It's about 60 days. Again, drop from the highs to the 60-day low. So every single time, if you bought Bitcoin every 60 days, roughly, you were in profit. Of course, you have to sell it on the right time, which is much more complicated. However, if you want to buy Bitcoin on the right time, you simply buy 60-day lows. Here, 60-day low, right? And I can go and go and go in the past. Basically, on my chart, everything is marked. Sometimes we have shorter cycles. They're not 60, but they're 40, but we're going to talk about it slightly later. Now, we had the cycle bottom here, 60. However, what usually happens in bullish periods, after making a cycle low, we resume to the upside. However, this didn't happen. I'm going to delete this because it's just too much thing on the chart. This didn't happen, guys. And what happened, we actually went back down and we tested those lows, the 60-day lows. Usually it means that the cycle has broken, and it means that the upcoming 60-day cycle will also be bearish. That's why I'm not rushing into buying right now. What I think is going to go next, we might pop and maybe do one more high before actually tumbling down and going retesting the 71 or 75 in between here area, right? And this is the crucial area, because here is where everybody gonna start shouting bear market. Here is where you hear YouTubers saying sell your crypto. Now we are going lower. And what's gonna happen next, guys? We are going to make a new low and we're going to resume to the upside. Why? Because we are in the middle of Bitcoin cycle. Let me come back. Now, Bitcoin moves in 4-year cycles where it spends roughly first 3 years going up. Within these first 3 years, we have intermediate cycles. We have a so-called 2-weekly cycle, and I spoke about it in my previous video yesterday or 2 days ago. Go and check this out, okay? Now, we are at the bottom of the 2-week cycle. And this is undeniable, guys. This is what all other traders and other YouTubers actually miss. We're at the bottom of the 2-week cycle, and we don't know exactly when everything started to pump, but it will happen within the next month. Within the next month, we are going to have a 60-day cycle low. I believe that the cycle will be slightly shorter, about 40 to maybe 50 days, okay? And according to cycle analysis, April will be the month when every single coin will start popping up. When Bitcoin, when altcoins, when Ethereum and other coins will going to go up. And guys, you wanna get ready. You wanna buy coins before actually we start this bullish momentum. Now, it's not the right time to buy right now. I'm not telling you go and buy everything because everything is in discount. No, that's how people who don't understand cycle speak. What I'm saying you is go, analyze cycle indicators, get your money ready in the exchange, centralized or decentralized, and just wait for the right moment. I'm going to create a new video. I'm going to tell you when I am actually buying. I'm going to show you my wallets. Well, not the wallet addresses, but I'm going to show you the purchase transactions, okay, in real trading, not in demo trading like some of the YouTubers do, right? And guys, we're going to go together into this. We're going to profit the most out of this upcoming last leg of this bull market. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. One last thing I want to show you. Everybody is extremely bearish right now. When I go to Twitter, I don't even read Twitter. I cannot read Twitter because look what people say. People say that I find it crazy that every alt is 50% off the highs, but we don't want to admit it's a bear market. Guys, that's how people say when they don't understand cycles, when they don't know what is actually happening in the market and they want to feel comfortable. They analyze the current situation, the current price action, and they don't see anything further. But we see, guys, see you in the next video. Be smart. Don't miss the upcoming videos because these will be crucial. These will depend how your pockets will look like at the end of the year. And I want them to be full like mine. See you.